Hello, this is Chad Blank. I'm doing my sneak peek Birth of Destiny pack opening. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this. Down in the comment section, let me know what card you want to pull the most out of this set. I'm just curious to see what you guys, you know, are most looking for in this set. I'm looking for mostly. Okay, this is a good card. Okay, all right, Cupid Pitch. Like, I'm mostly looking for Phoenix Enforcer. That's my biggest goal right there. To go for Phoenix Enforcer. What else? Let's see. Oh yeah, B Trooper. Yep. I was definitely looking for some B Trooper cards. Like, don't worry, I'll definitely be buying a box. If I get back to my locals, like I'm very busy during the week after Mondays. Sign a Cascade. If you look some of the link mounts, you can turn one month a year gravy using materials for summoning. Okay, I can see that being used in Alter guys. Retriever Salt Roller. Okay, not bad. Might be a one off. I'll check it out. Okay. Oh, there's one card. This might be a. If you control normal sets, destroy a special summon monster on the field to the end. Your next turn after this card, you can add. Until the end of your next turn after this card is activated, you can add normal summons or set. Okay, this card seems like it's one of those I can see it being used in Ultra guys. It's a lot better than Needle Stealing in a sense because it doesn't. Okay, this is another trap card. People are telling me it might be good at Ultra guys, but it's a fairy feed and I don't think it works. Fairy can transfer the tape. This might be good on Trickstar. You can draw three cards and play two cards from your hand on the bottom of the deck in any order. Free, you can make your opponent draw one card and discard one random card. That if they still have a card in here, they discard one card. Okay, alright, that works. Yeah, so I got another B Trooper Scoop. Trooper 1 9 token. Insect monsters, but still do one B Trooper tokens for everyone. Or for every 1,000 original attack of the Trinity monster. Okay, alright. Got one last pack. Let's big money now. I hope for a Phoenix Forther. I got an Ultra. That's pretty good. Let's go. Got Mimicking Man Bug. Alright. Oh! Oh, we got. Oh, it's not the secret I wanted. But we got Incredible Ecclesia the Virtuous. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is this. I'm I'm glad I've got a secret. It's not the secret I wanted. I wanted Phoenix Enforcer, but this is a good. If you're playing control, oh, this is pretty much Cyber Dragon. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this works the Sword Soul and Fallout bad. Oh man. Okay. Oh my. Yo, we got the card. Sorry about the glare. It's from the light. Yeah, incredible ecclesia. Let me. Where's my sleeves? I know I got some sleeves around here somewhere. I'll just take it over. I'll just take it off a card. I'm not really gonna use. Where's my sleeves? Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, yeah. I got a few. I got an ultra, I got secret, I got super. That's pretty good. Yeah, definitely made my money back then. So let me make sure. Yep. Yeah. Definitely slide that in. Slide that in right there. Slide it over. Holy snap. Yeah, this is cool. Alright. Beat Trooper. Light Flopper. This might be a crap. It's a one of. A lot of these are one of I might play. Like, okay, with the Beat Trooper card, they're not cards I'm like excited to play. But oh, down in the comment section, I don't know why I haven't asked you guys this. What decks like are you looking forward to play? Like to me, if as a Secret Storm set, Lyrillith, that's my deck I've been waiting to play for a while. But yeah, leave it down in the conversation. Like what cards are you looking to get out of Birth of Destiny? Plus, what what decks do you guys want to build? That's the biggest question. Leave it down in the comment section. Of course, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. But leave down in the comment section what deck you want to play. Cause I mean I'm not interested in Sorcerer, but I am not interested in Sorcerer. But if anybody is interested in getting this, yeah, this is sorry, like the glare is a pain in the ass. It's like yeah, it's like glare. It's the light. It's the light rig. Yeah, kind of clean the virtuous. Yeah. I always find a way to pull the card I don't want, but it's always a good card to like. Yeah, if you're interested in this, let me know down in the comment section. If you're interested in this card, let me know down in the comment section. Um, I could sell it, I could trade it to you, either one. Chaz Blank, was another pack opening. Yeah. Have a great day, everybody. Make sure you stay safe out there. You, and remember, the 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 luck is with you in the packs. I don't know. I'm just saying some good stuff. Peace out, everybody.